How to completely sign out of your Gmail account on Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign out of your Gmail account on your PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to gmail.com on your web browser. And once you land on this page, you just need to go to your profile. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click on sign out. Once you click on the sign out button, you can your sync is paused, so you can just continue without syncing again. And now in order to completely sign out of your account, you'll find the remove an account button right here. If you want to log into another account, that's completely fine. But if you want to completely sign out of this, click on remove an account, select your account, and then it will be completely removed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.